Hey, it's me, Toni-Lee. Thank you so much for being you and for being here. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to use ThredUp to sell your clothes online. Not only can you use ThredUp to buy clothes thrifted, you can also donate your own clothes there as a sort of way of consigning them. ThredUp does an amazing job at reselling your clothes, taking the pictures, and offering you commission. The commission may not be what you're hoping for, but I think for saving the earth and not just throwing your garments out, it's a pretty good option. I just got in the mail my ThredUp envelope. I can't believe this bag is going to save me a bunch of money. You get it in this envelope. All you have to do is go online and select sell with us and they will send you this bag. There is a fee that will be taken out from the proceeds that you make. Last time I sold on ThredUp, I made about 30 bucks, which is hit or miss. 9 of my items expired, so they made no money and they were just donated, where 12, I think, of them sold for 30 bucks. So if you haven't checked that video out, please make sure to check that video out. But let's go open this bad boy and put our clothes in it. Let's open this baddie. I literally can't believe they say that you can fit up to like 50 pounds. I need to actually check that. It might be 30, not 50. But it all just comes, it's just this little bag here. So peel here. Wow. Okay, legit. Already has the label on it. I wanted to make sure that it didn't have like my personal information on it before I showed you, but yeah, so the bag just comes nice and folded, and then on the inside, get the most out of your clean out experience. Check every single item before packing. Only send clean, freshly laundered items. Check hidden spots for wear and tear, beyond the neck, under the arms. Remove all personal items from the pockets. Do not send any of the following: items with wear and tear, damaged items. They do not take men's clothes, PJs, intimates, jewelry, formal gowns, non-apparel items, counterfeit items. But this is the bag. It's huge. Like literally, it's so big. It's so big. ThredUp. Let's get to selling. And now we're gonna fill this bag up. And I'll show you what I'm putting in it. All right, I have bag number 1 here that you can have. And then this is like shoes kind of. And then this big bag that we gotta go through and fill up. A very cute ThredUp bag. I'm gonna do this bag last because it has the shoes and such in it. So that can go on top. And I'm just going to open her up and start filling it. It's literally so big. Start going. I'm a little nervous. There are some things that I think might be more fall items, so I might actually put those to the back. I have this jacket that I'm gonna be sending. It really is like this simple, just putting the clothes in a bag. I've got this little shirt that I'm getting rid of. A lot of these things are just items that I no longer wear, or I find discomfort wearing them. I like buy cute clothes and then I wear them for a couple hours and I realize that I don't like them at all and I hate them. So yeah, I have this cute top that I'm getting rid of. I'm not really folding them too nicely. I'm kind of just putting them in there because they're gonna be in transit and I know how transit works and that they get thrown around. So I'm just kind of not willy-nilly putting them in there, but I've got some turtlenecks. I don't know if they'll take those. I've got this little tank top. I'll get 5 cents off of these. They're cute. I've got this top. It's like a long sleeve, basic top. Oh, this is just like too tight around my body. A lot of things, like I said, I'm getting rid of them because it's just like discomfort. And I don't know, like the turtlenecks, they're not really in season, so we'll see. This is cute, but it's like a little, Oh, this is a like older free people top. I hope to get some good money on that one. We've got this little top here. Cute. Maple's enjoying this as well. There is a limit though to how much you can put in one bag. They don't like, I can't overfill past 30 pounds, I think. These are so sad because these are like some of my favorite tops, but I've just outgrown them, honestly. Got this cute little top. Like, these are all cute things. I love these items. I just don't wear them anymore. So I think it's better to send them off to ThredUp to have someone else love them and give them a new life. The bag is getting crumbled. This is so fun, but I've learned to hate this style on me. I just don't like the style. So we're saying bye-bye. They don't take items like this. So we will take that to Goodwill. We have this little dress. I think we're getting kind of some items that I think they might take more of. This little like rompy stitch, super cute. I just don't wear that. This is a really cute dress. I just don't wear things that will fly up, and that will fly up. I might need to order another bag. Oh god. Really? Wow. These are some more things. I'm just gonna finish shoving it in here and then show you what that looks like after. So, with the scarf they could take. Oh, gee. Okay, now the fun part. I've got these shoes. They might take these shoes. Shoes? These shoes roll. These shoes suck. If you know that. Got these ones. These, they are resold, so hopefully they will still take them. If not, I might ask you to give them back. Because I think they could actually sell them, so we will see them. Hopefully these heels don't puncture the bag. I have these that I'm also putting in there. Wow, this body is full. It's a big bag. What do you think? Shoes, I think that it can bring back, but we are just going to literally take this off and hope that she closes. Nice. Oh, closes on this one. That's it. That's how easy it is. You put all your clothes in here, and now all I have to do is go run it to the UPS store. Yeah. Or we have to wait. I will say, last time I sold with ThredUp, I waited about 3 months before I got anything back. So I am going to actually end this video and post it, and then make sure that you are subscribed, because when I get my feedback from ThredUp, I'll make sure to do a video as well. I'm thinking about ordering some things on ThredUp, so I might do like a ThredUp haul plus kind of what they took of my items. We'll see what they take. But I just want to say thank you so much for being you and for being here. Let me know if this is something that you have tried and like what your thoughts are on it. I think that having an online thrift store is a really great idea, as well as being able to send your clothes to a place that is carefully going to look through them. If not sell them, they're going to donate them, give them a new life, which is just such a beautiful thing. So thank you, ThredUp. For comparison's sake, this is how big the bag is that I'm about to go take to UPS. It's a couple days later, and now I'm gonna go and take this bag to UPS, and then we shall see what we get from ThredUp. So as you can see, they received my item and it's going to take a month before they go through it. But that's okay. Please make sure you subscribe for the second half of this video.